kanyang talento sa pamamagitan ng pagkukwento. Walang iba kundi si Madre Yves Johan Manangkin, ating tunghayan at pasalubungan ng palakpakan.
There once was a shepherd boy who was bored as he sat on the hillside watching the village sheep. To amuse himself, he took out a great bird and sang out, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is chasing the sheep!" The villagers came running up the hill to help the boy drive the wolf away. But when they arrived at the top of the hill, they found no wolf. The boy laughed at the sight of their angry faces. "Don't cry, wolf, shepherd boy," said the villagers, "when there's no wolf." They went grumbling back down the hill. Later, the boy sang out again, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is chasing the sheep!" To his naughty delight, he watched the villagers run up the hill to help him drive the wolf away. But when they saw no wolf, they sternly said, "Save your frightened song for when there's really something wrong. Don't cry, wolf, when there's no wolf." But the boy just grinned and watched them go rambling back down the hill once more. Later, they saw a real wolf prowling about his flock. Alarmed, he leaped to his feet and sang out as loudly as he could, "Wolf! Wolf!" But the villagers thought he was trying to fool them again, and so they didn't come. At sunset, everyone wondered why the shepherd boy